Hello friends, in this video we learned that how can we add two equations by using JavaScript. In the previous video we learned that how can we use inner HTML. So inner HTML is used to change the text into another text, and inner HTML is also used to add an equation. So let's start coding. You can see that in style tag I have code body, and the style of the body is background image radial gradient, and I typed here some colors which is pink, plum, hot pink, fuchsia, medium purple, purple, maroon, and the output is like this. See, first it is light pink, then a little dark, then more dark, then more dark, then more dark, and in the last it is very dark. So I have typed the colors in order. Now in body tag type div tag, and let's style div tag. So firstly I am giving the width to the div tag approximately 500 pixel, and height near 300 pixel, or we can also give here 400 pixel. Now see, we can't see the div because we don't give any color to the div. So type here background color of the div, and the background color I want is something like orchid, or I can give here violet. uh, so here I am adding one more color which is replica. uh, think so. You can change the color also, like we can give here something like pink, this one medium violet red. So I'm adding one more color here which is replica purple. Okay, it comes here. Now see. Okay, so let's bring the div tag in the center, and in body tag let's type text align center. Okay, now this is a question website for little children of the age of 3, 4, 5, 6. So here I want two or three questions. Like the question one is add 2 plus 2, and then I want the answer on clicking any button. So let's type here button tag like this, and now type the text which you want on the button and the function name. On click and the function I want is add, because this is the adding question answer button. Now type function in script tag and type the name of your function here. Okay, so firstly type here in the after type a p tag here, not inside the div tag, outside of the div tag and before the div tag. So type p here, p tag here, and type any paragraph like this. You can copy and paste this paragraph. I will copy it 3 more times. Okay, now see how it comes. Here is a paragraph and here is a button. When you click on it, it does not work because we don't type here any function. So I'm typing here h1 tag also, and the title I want is chapter 36. And now I want this, I'm typing a b tag, means bold tag, this one. See, and now I'm typing b tag here also. Like this. Okay, now see how it comes. Okay, now let's type here br also, so that it will be in the next. Now give a id to the p tag, or it will be like this. Here I will type the details, or not want to know the answer, then click on the button. Okay, so now I want to change this text into the answer of the question. Like here I'm typing 5. Okay, so now here in function add, type document dot get element by id and type here the id of this node. So type this notice in the p tag so that you can give id to this. And now give the id, and the id I want is para. Now the id is para, and now type here dot inner html is equal to 2 plus 2. Then now see how it goes. Here it is. When I click here, then here comes 2 plus 2, and now see, when I click on the button, here comes 2 plus 2, not the answer. Why it is? Here you can see that we type colon, so we have to remove the colon. That's why the answer can't come. Now see, when we click here, then here comes 4. You can do one more thing like that. You can remove the text from here, because everyone can see that his answer 1. So when we move the text and then we click on the button, then here comes 4. So it is pretty good. And now I'm typing here document dot get element by id, then give the id of the p tag here, para, one more time, and then type dot font size. I want the font size 200 pixels so that we can see it clearly. Now see, think when you click on it, the font size is for 200 pixel. Let's now see. So after typing like this, I'm typing here image tag, and I want the image here .jpg. Then I want this I want this speaker.jpg and rabbit 1, rabbit 2, and there's one more image that is rabbit. Okay, now see, it is a jellyfish. This is the kangaroo here, and this is Pika is rabbit. So I don't want this image from here, and these images are small, so I don't want to resize it. And now I'm giving the width to the bear.jpg approximately 300 pixel, and height near 200 pixel, or we can give here 300 pixel. Copy this and paste it here also, and this time I want the width 200 pixel and the height 300 pixel because Pika I want it here. Now see, it's the images, so we can type BR after each image. Now see, here's the all images. And so friends, our today's all topic are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.